welcome back to my channel, Anna's cooking channel. Today we're gonna make some jalapeno peppers, stuffed peppers. We're gonna stuff them with mushroom, cheese, and bacon crumbs. This is all the ingredients that you need, and I'm also gonna put it down below, the recipe. So first what we're gonna do is basically we need to cut the jalapeno peppers. Once you cut them and you work with them, don't rub your eyes because ooh.
That would hurt very bad. Yeah, this one girl, she was doing, these TikTok trends are going around where you stuff a jalapeno with cream cheese and no, I don't know, I'm scared. Cream cheese, and you put Takis in there and then you eat it. This one girl, she rubbed her eyes after and I had to go to the hospital.
Okay,
so stay safe. Or do it with gloves. You can't. But this is actually very good to make because it's really yummy. When it's cooked, it's not so spicy. And because you're taking out the seeds are like the most spicy part of the pepper. And you're putting cheese and mushroom, so it's and seasoning, so it's really good.
Yeah, I already also washed my jalapenos and washed all of my mushrooms.
Yeah.
And what I did is I take out the stem like that. And this is about 12 excuse me, 12 ounces of mushrooms. Got them at Costco. And then the other 12 ounces is I'm gonna make which called stuffed mushrooms. I also have all these recipes on my blog, but it's easier to see the video, so I'm making a video now. Oh, it's squirting on me. So basically,
You can also use gloves when you're cutting the jalapenos.
yes. See, I got like this.
Yeah. You need any help?
Well, I was asking about you, like,
No, I'm
I
scared.
don't wanna.
I'm scared though.
So you could just put them in there. I can cut them for you and you can put them. But just don't rub your eyes or anything. And yeah, they squirt, so be careful. I don't know.
You have good cameras. I don't know which one to look at.
Yeah, say hi. And you say your name and your channel.
My name's Ariana and my channel is Ari Ferrari, all caps.
It's my daughter. She likes to help me a lot. So yeah, go
Subscribe to her channel.
subscribe to her channel.
I
Well,
have
thank you.
389 subscribers. My goal by the end of this week is to have 400. So if you could just help me out and press the subscribe button, that would
Ooh,
make me really happy.
that one went a little bit in my eye.
Ouch!
Yeah.
I'm gonna smell it.
So I need some more. Maybe because they have some kind of smell.
They do.
And I'm like inhaling that. And
It's because of the seeds.
I'm like, yeah, so this is really good recipe for like upcoming, thank you, for all the upcoming holidays like Thanksgiving and Christmas. This is a yummy appetizer. It's not gonna be as spicy as,
Because you're taking the seeds out and it's baked.
yes.
You know those masks that like covers your whole face, those face shields? Wear that while doing So
You can all edit all of it out and make it like a.
Time lapse.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, so now that we have all these prepared, our jalapeno peppers cut and taken out the seeds, we need to chop the mushrooms. But if you don't have a food processor like I do, you can just cut them in
Blender.
not a blender, no. Blender is gonna make it really, really. You need to chop them basically, so they like look like squares, in squares. This is nice. And fast.
Sorry, guys.
Okay, it's done. You can actually take out the middle part too. And just dump everything in a bowl. So with the food processor, it's actually really
Easy.
fast. Yeah, easy process. And we are done. There you go, thank you. So this is how it looks.
I don't like mushrooms.
Well, but when they're in,
Wait, I put this in the sink?
yes. So 2 cups of cheese,
Shredded cheese.
shredded cheese, yes. Some dill. If you don't have fresh dill, you can use frozen dill. I always have frozen dill.
Yeah, there's like snow on it.
Yeah, because it's from the,
Freezer.
freezer. So, and then
We have all of our spices right
oh,
here.
yeah, I've got the
Lemon
bacon.
pepper. Oh, bacon, of
I'm
course.
gonna add some bacon.
So lemon pepper, paprika, black pepper, Mrs. Dash,
Let me wash my hands.
and garlic salt.
Okay, so far what we have for the stuffing is mushrooms that we did in the food processor,
Cheese.
chopped cheese or shredded cheese,
Yeah.
dill. And we're gonna add a bacon crumbles. You can get them at Costco. So these you can get them at Costco or Winco. And we're gonna put all these spices.
First lemon pepper, then some paprika. Paprika's yummy.
Yes, paprika. It's smoked paprika.
So it doesn't really have a taste.
Yeah, it's from Costco too.
Then black pepper, and then Mrs. Dash, of course, and some garlic salt.
Yes, salt or garlic salt.
There we go. We have now the only ingredient we have left is sour. No, that's not sour cream. That's cream cheese.
So this is a small spoon, and you're supposed to have like 6 spoons. So I'm probably gonna have to do like bigger spoons like this.
Meow. Whoa.
4,
That looks yummy. I don't know.
5.
What is it? Ice cream. Vanilla.
Give me a
What? Whisk?
no, not this. Glove. So I can mix this with a glove.
Yeah. We don't have lots of gloves.
I do have very, clear gloves.
Oh. We have a small one.
So I forgot to count, but I think I did like half of this. Which is, this one is 48 ounces. So. Has to be mixed really, really good like this. Basically. See that?
Yeah.
Okay, so now it's done. All you have to do is grab it,
Stuff them in there.
put it like this.
Here.
Put it in the oven. I forgot how long. I have to look it up.
So we're gonna stuff them, and then we'll be back when we stuff them.
Oh, say that. Don't say that.
Pause it.
Don't say that. No, wait.
Oh.
I'm just gonna do that part.
Oh, fast.
Take this off. When I tell you to stop it, you stop it, and then I'll just finish it. And you can go. And then it's all done.
No.
No. I'll stop it. Do this. So we're done with the jalapenos. Stuffed jalapeno peppers. I had 14 of them and cut them in half. Took all the seeds out. Made the stuffing for it. And I still have left some for my mushrooms. I have stuffed mushrooms. So this basically, all we have to do is put it in the oven for 350 or 380, that depends on the oven, for about 20 to 30 minutes. Check them if they're ready, if it tastes good. Like you can taste it. If it tastes good, then ready. Just put them in, take them out of the oven, put them, let them kind of dry a little, and then at the end, when they're like not so hot, you just garnish it with some cheese on top. That's gonna be done. So we're gonna do that, but at the same time, we're gonna do another video, which is mushrooms, stuffed mushrooms. And see, I still have a lot of stuffing left from my jalapeno peppers, and I can make stuffed mushrooms. See you in another video. So I took out my jalapeno stuffed peppers from the oven, which I put it for 385 degrees for 40 minutes. And they look so good. Very good. I also put the same together, the same amount, or how do you say, together with the stuffed mushrooms. Like, stuffed mushrooms were in the middle rack and jalapenos were on the top rack for 40 minutes at 380 degrees. And this is how they look like. So good. I'm gonna let them sit for maybe 15 minutes and just garnish both of these with some cheese on top. And they're ready to eat. So these jalapeno stuffed peppers turned out very good. I didn't have any sour cream, so I just put mayonnaise on top, but they look so good. They taste so good. Yeah, I already tried one. Also stuffed mushrooms. And let me show you how they look inside. So let's try the jalapeno, see how it looks. Looks good, tastes good. I already tasted one. And here's the stuffed mushroom too. You can use sour cream or mayonnaise, whichever you want. Oops, technical difficulties. But it's just so yummy. Wanna try it, Donnie? Let me try one. Delicious. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and see new videos.